In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1½ tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder and 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, add ½ a kilogram or 1 pound sirloin steak cut into ½ cubes. Pour the marinade over the beef. Mix until well coated, then cover and chill for at least 1 hour. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add 50 grams butter and let it melt. Add the marinated beef. Cook for about 10 minutes, then flip and cook for another 10 minutes. Juicy, flavorful beef bites that are super easy to make and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next recipe on Heaven's Kitchen.